Hello and welcome to MDSS Campus. In this video, we'll be discussing the Medical Device Regulation, also known as the MDR. This regulation is an important part of ensuring that medical devices are safe for patients to use in the European Union. We will start the presentation by explaining what is the MDR and also who is affected by this regulation. Then we will briefly explain what is a medical device and their classification. Last but not least, we will talk about the conformity assessment and the post-market surveillance. What is the MDR? The MDR is a medical device regulation introduced by the European Union to ensure the safety and effectiveness of medical devices. Its primary goal is to protect patients and users by establishing stringent standards for the development, manufacturing, and distribution of medical devices within Europe. But who is affected by this regulation? Well, it encompasses a wide range of people and organizations, including manufacturers, importers, distributors, and authorized representatives. Each of these stakeholders has a crucial role to play in complying with the MDR and ensuring that the medical devices they produce or distribute meet the highest standards. Now, what exactly qualifies as a medical device? A medical device can be any instrument, apparatus, machine, software, implant, or similar article used for diagnosis, treatment, or prevention of disease or other medical conditions. From bandages and surgical gloves to sophisticated devices like heart valves and diagnostic imaging equipment. In other words, any product or equipment intended for a medical purpose. To effectively regulate medical devices, they are classified into 4 categories: Class 1, 2A, 2B, and 3. Class 1 devices pose the lowest risk, while Class 3 devices are associated with the highest risk. As you can imagine, the higher the risk, the more rigorous the requirements for testing, clinical evaluation, and post-market surveillance become. Before a medical device can be made available on the market, it must undergo a thorough conformity assessment. This assessment ensures that the device meets the requirements set forth by the MDR. It involves extensive testing to verify the device's safety, effectiveness, and compliance with relevant quality standards. Once a medical device is on the market, the journey doesn't end there. Post-market surveillance comes into play. This vital process involves continuous monitoring of the device's performance, usage, and any events or incidents that may occur. Note that serious incidents must be reported. Manufacturers and distributors have a responsibility to report these incidents to the relevant authorities and take corrective actions when necessary. In conclusion, the medical device regulation is a crucial framework that ensures the safety and effectiveness of medical devices for patients and users. It encompasses a wide range of stakeholders, from manufacturers to distributors, and sets high standards for conformity assessment and post-market surveillance. By complying with the MDR, we can have greater confidence in the medical devices we rely on for our health and well-being. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of the medical device regulation. We hope you now have a better understanding of the significance and impact of this regulation on the medical device industry. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.